afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Today we are going to discuss about case study regarding car control system in automation techniques. So there are some several type of operations behind the automation techniques. Here we are going to discuss about how the automation techniques are useful in car control systems. Especially for open loop and closed loop controls are a very vital role playing in control systems, because based on this closed loop system only we can able to add more number of components or elements to the systems, so that we can control over the system based on the open loop and closed loop systems. So here let us discuss about how the car control system has been enabled based on the different stages.
Okay, first let me start. A modern control system refers to a sophisticated approach to controlling dynamic system, integrating advanced computational tools, design methodologies, and feedback mechanism. These systems aim to ensure the design performance of machine processes and systems while adapting to changed environments and uncertainties. Sensors and transducers mainly measure system parameters such as temperature, pressure, or velocity.
So the controller is used to control the whole system, compute control action based on the desired and measured system states. Example, we are using PID controllers, digital controllers, etc. And activators are used to export the output. So we are using execute the control commands to influence the system's behavior. For activators, we are using motors and valves. Communication network, we are using enable data exchange between system components in real time. And digital computing units is used to perform real-time calculation and implement control algorithms. In the empathy part, define the system and its components, formulates the mathematical model and list the necessary assumption, write the differential equation describing the model, solve the equation for the
So all those equations are useful for identifying the models of the concerned elements or equipments which are to be inserted into the cars.
Examine the solution and assumption. If necessary, we can reanalyze and redesign the system.
So for this system, we use various status, road tracks, and commutators, which is used for control the system. And here we use some feedback loop so that if we find any error, we could able to rectify it very easily. And we need to first, in order to maintain this car model, we need to establish the goals, and we need to find the variables, and the specifications should be analyzed. And with that, we can able to find the entire solution. And if once the solution is not attained, the process will iterate itself. And if it is attained, we can able to finalize the design.
So based on the errors, we can able to rectify the problems, and then we can able to control the systems. Okay.
The establishment and these control gates, and optimize the parameters and analyze the performance, describe the controller and sensors. The activators are really helpful in this designing the automation system. If the performance does not meet the specifications, there is a linear configurations in the actuators, and it analyze the complete machine's performance.
So there will be some threshold point is there, so that we can able to check the proper value to insert the concerned elements.
Yes.
So the system to be check the error, and the inputs are given various format to the system, and the output are attained to the servo motor, and various components are used to get the output of the controller. And if detect the errors, the actuating signals are passed to the feedback loop, so we can attain the without error.
Maximum value for the concerned input signals. Okay. So next thing is we need to check the applications, because whenever we are finding all those errors and all those elements which are to be connected to the systems, then we need to verify the models by typing coding to the system, so that we can able to check the controller for their functions.
So in the testing part, the input,
yes.
so as the conclusion, controller systems are a concern of technology advancement, enabling a sufficient and reliable operations of various industries and applications. There are main factors which helps in the automations. One One is the integration of technology, which helps the incorporated digital computing, sensors, actuators, and communication networks for sufficient operation. Then feedback mechanism. Feedback mechanism is a vital role which utilize feedback loops to minimize errors and maintain desired output levels despite disturbance. Then model-based designs, which is also plays a vital, which used to employ mathematical models to simulate predictions. Then the last one is the automation. They are widely used in the industrial systems requiring minimum human interventions.
So these are all some applications need to be followed in the future. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you.